Alright guys, welcome to another unboxing here from Amazon. Let's see what we got here. Let's see, I'm very excited. These packages scare me a little bit, but hopefully this is going to be something cool. Ooh, it arrived early. I had no idea this was going to arrive so quickly. I only ordered it yesterday pretty much. And it's here today already. What is it? It is some kind of a Wi-Fi repeater. That's what it says right there, repeater. So let's see what else we got here on the back. You guys can check this out in your own time. Hopefully it is in view. It tells you all this cool stuff here about standards, wireless security, so on and so forth. And that it can go about 300 miles an hour. I mean, megabits per second. Thanks for
Likey.